Hello guys, in this video we are going to determine the maximum of the three numbers. We will take input from the users, these three numbers, and we will be checking out of these three numbers which number is the maximum. So we are going to do this all coding in Python. So this is Google Collab, and you can just type in Google Collab, and you can come here and code. So simply just we are just taking input from the user. Okay, the second number as input, and let me just copy and paste it here to save some time. Okay, okay, so now what am I going, we have taken the three numbers from the user, and I am just uh, defining a variable named max. Okay, and we are storing the value of a in that. What am I doing basically? Just we are putting the first number into this variable named max. Okay, and we are just applying the if condition. If max is less than what b, the second number, then max is equals to, okay, and if this max is less than c, then what is that? Max is equals to c. Okay, what is the logic behind it? So the very first number, when I stored it inside the max, now max contains the number 1. Okay, here what we are going to check, we are just checking that if that first number is less than the second number, means the second number is going to the max, and we are storing the value of b, means the second number inside the max. Okay, and then we are checking that the if that, because here the max value is now updated with b, now it contains the second number, and we are checking that if this second number is lesser than the third number. Okay, if it is less, then the maximum will definitely be the third number. Okay, very simple logic, and we are now going to print the value of what? Max. Okay, just running the code and just putting the value 78105, any random value. Okay, 57, and yeah, so the maximum value will be 105. Okay, code is working fine. Okay, let's run it the second time as well to gain some more clarity. Okay, yeah, so just stick to this particular logic, or you can apply your own logic as well, because in coding the most important thing is what logic you are applying, and that saves your time and reduces the complexity of the code. So that's from my side, so where we calculated the maximum of the three numbers. So thanks for watching, and see you in next video. Okay, thank you.